Welcome back. A strong, fresh password is one of the easiest ways to keep your account safe. In this video, we'll change yours. On your profile page, click the Password tab. Start with your current password, so Email Sendx knows it's really you. See that little eye icon? Click it anytime to show or hide what you're typing. Handy for double-checking. Now, your new password. It needs to be at least 6 characters, but honestly, longer is better. We'll share a quick tip on that in a moment. Type that same password once more to confirm it. The 2 entries need to match exactly. One quick note, if you signed up with Google or another single sign-on, you might not have a password at all. In that case, you'll see a Set a Password button instead. Click it to create your very first password. Once your new password is in, click Update Password. And you're done. Password changed successfully. From now on, you'll sign in with your new password. A quick tip for a strong password: mix uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Make it long and never reuse a password from another site. A password manager can generate and remember one for you. That's your password updated and your account a little safer. Next, let's add an even stronger layer of protection with 2-factor authentication.